When someone collapses in sudden cardiac arrest, the heart is no longer pumping blood effectively around the body. This can happen because the heart's electrical system has become disorganized. Instead of beating at a normal heart rhythm, the heart may begin to quiver or beat chaotically. When this happens, blood is not circulated properly and the brain and other vital organs quickly become deprived of oxygen. An automated external defibrillator, or AED, is designed to analyze electrical activity of the heart. When the electrode pads are placed on the casualty's chest, the AED begins to monitor the heart's rhythm through those pads. The device detects specific types of abnormal heart rhythms that can be treated with an electric shock. Some heart rhythms are considered shockable. These include rhythms such as ventricular fibrillation or pulseless ventricular tachycardia. In these situations, the heart's electrical system is disorganized, and delivering a controlled electrical shock can help reset the heart and allow it to return to a normal rhythm. However, not every cardiac arrest rhythm can be treated with a shock. In some cases, the AED may analyze the heart rhythm and announce that no shock is advised. This does not mean that the device is malfunctioning. It simply means that the detected heart rhythm cannot be corrected with defibrillation. In these cases, continuing high-quality CPR is the most important action. During the analysis phase, it's very important that nobody touches the casualty. Movement or pressure on the chest can interfere with the AED's ability to accurately read the heart rhythm. This is why the device will instruct rescuers to stand clear while the analysis is taking place. If the AED determines that a shock is required, it will either advise the rescuer to push the shock button or deliver the shock automatically, depending on the device design. The shock briefly stops the heart's abnormal electrical activity, giving the heart's natural pacemaker a chance to restart the normal rhythm. After a shock is delivered, the AED will usually instruct rescuers to resume CPR immediately. CPR helps keep oxygenated blood circulating to the brain and vital organs while the heart attempts to regain an effective rhythm. The most important thing to remember is that the AED is constantly monitoring and guiding the rescuer. It will only deliver a shock when it's safe and appropriate to do so. By following the device's prompts and continuing CPR as instructed, rescuers are giving the casualty the best possible chance of survival.